Meaning of Glaxo.
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 Glaxo. Glaxo refers to the pharmaceutical company GlaxoSmithKline, which was created through a merger in 2000. The company is based in London, United Kingdom, and operates in over 100 countries around the world. It specializes in researching, developing, and manufacturing pharmaceutical and healthcare products, including vaccines, consumer healthcare products, and prescription medicines. With a history dating back to the 1800s, GlaxoSmithKline has become a leading global healthcare company with a mission to improve the quality of human life by enabling people to do more, feel better, and live longer.